Hello guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Today I will tell you about 5 keys to success to prevent yourself from being a failure. Reaching success has become the goal of everyone in the work or career. Success is synonymous with the condition of someone being prosperous in a stable position and having power. Everyone is always obsessed and wants to achieve the position. Success is also used a measure of the success of the human journey. Although of course the measure is of success for each person is different. So that interpreting success is not the same. Definition of success. In the sense of the Big Indonesia Dictionary of KBBI, success means and success luck. KBBI calls success is a condition where other people like to learn about and imitate this condition. So it can be interpreted that success is condition is prosperity in life, and many people always to want be achieve. The key to success. To reach a position of success, the path that must be followed is not easy. People always face obstacles and the temptation to cheat to get the position. We also need to realize the success is not always about money and position, but also about relationship, achievement, dreams, and progress in the field. We also need, so how to achieve success? The question often arises and is a search for many people. Actually, it is not difficult as long as we know the key to success. What are the key to success? 1. Determination. It takes a strong will and great intention to reach the highest point in one life attainment. There is a strong will to work without stopping. Even if there are failures, obstacles, difficulties along and way. It takes a long time to achieve success. So we need determination to focus on achieving it. Even though we have achieved success, that determination must live on the maintain the success we have achieved. True determination lasts not only 2 or 3 years, but decades, even before life. This is what it takes to reach the best position in one's life. 2. Skill. Skill always go together with determination. No skill appears instantaneously without going through bad things. Because by passing tests or trial, we will be more honed and adaptable in many conditions. Skills such as communication, management, evaluation, appearing in the front of people and negotiating or accurate with continuously honed abilities. Moreover, competition is getting tighter, so skill need to be updated and developed in order to be able to compete. The more people have, the more skill, the opportunities for success are also more open. 3. Passion. Not everyone has the desire to pursue a career, passion, or build a business. Passion or desire is what makes you want to continue to get maximum result. Even passion is able to maintain our plans, goals, and motivation for success. With passion, we are able to survive even if we face problems of obstacles in achieving success. So, the key to success is having passion so you don't give up easily under your circumstance. For this skip line, other key to success is this skip line. This skip line shapes a personal character to work in a system and comply with the applicable regulation. If we are accustomed to this skip line, then we will not easily procrastinate. This is very important to accelerate our success. If we are accustomed to this skip line, our automatic time management is also very good. Keep in mind, time is not almost valuable thing. We might be able to buy anything, but time is not. So the success we achieve is very much determined by the what we are doing today. 5. Persistence. The failure we get while chasing success will not stop us. This condition is called persistence, resilience, and does not give up easily. Many people fail because they not finish what they start. For that, we need persistence to keep pursuing what we want to achieve. To have this persistence, we must dare to strive and work hard because it is almost possible to achieve persistence without hard training. Characteristic of successful people. 1. Optimist, creative, thoughtfulness, be able to control yourself, able to control emotion, know to be outgoing and have many relations. Hard worker, crisis is seen as opportunity. Here are the characteristic people failing. Don't like ideas, miss the opportunity to live a better life, often undermines other people, don't want to apologize, saying life a competition and want to live always wins. Negative attitude and thinking. Okay, that's all I can say. Next. Next participant.
Guys.
Okay.
Good morning, guys. Rizka,
Morning.
Irfan,
Morning.
are you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Okay. Today, I will to discuss not far from the IT world. This time, I will discuss 5 historical first of computer development in Indonesia. Computer have now become a primary need is socially. But home computers are what you usually call PC. Personal computer. To mobile computer use a laptop, notebook, and netbooks. Did you know that at the beginning of the entry of computer in Indonesia, only the government and big industry were able to have them? This is because computers are very impressive device at that time. What are the strengths of the computer development from the past until now? The following article will take you to study the story and the computer Indonesian from year to year. Here's the information. The development in of Indonesian computer in the 1960. The history of computer in Indonesian began is the area precisely in the 1916 and 7. Computer began to find development primitives, as has been studied earlier that computer at that time are the luxury, so only certain parties agrees and the large industries infidelity and franchise of the computer was not accessible in society. However, on July 4, 1906, an Indonesian government created organization called Boktan, coordinating body of state administration automation, to respond to public requests for function as the provider in information about computer to people who are still familiar with the technology. This organization also enwriting computer and related institution companies in needs. The development of Indonesia computer in the 1970s. Entering the area or the computer began to spread to additional with identity by Indro Suwandi, PhD from the Universitas of Indonesia, which included the computer science department of the field of study the call be studied by students. The support this UI Pisilkom Computer Science Center was created through this the computer science discipline. UI hopes its students can equip themselves within the department computer technical skill. At the beginning of the opening, the computer science department did not accept many people because the daytime computer will still to command to the wider community. However, along with the public's awareness of the importance of technology, it has made its department one of the favorite measures, even though it is still limited to certain groups. The development of Indonesian computer in the 1980. The area is an 40 years for the history of computer in Indonesia through the 1918 Southeast Asia Regional Computer Conference, which is attended by ASEAN countries, began discrete cooperation in computer development. Apart from that, it's the conference the Indonesian government also held the technology exposition and exhibit various computer devices in Indonesia. In these years, also in Indonesia, begins foreign mini computer, a system consisting for large components. But unfortunately, this computer is considered quite difficult to operate and less effective because the operation system used is not compatible with the operating system is the systems. Until finally, some computer experts managed to create the Unix operating system to solve the performance problem of the mini computer. The Unix operating system can be used for all types of computer, including the super microcomputer. Generation is a 32-bit processor based computer, sort of the Motorola MC 6800. The Unix system is also able to attract the attention of many people, especially experts in the computer field, to continue innovate. Even in 1983, several students from the University of Indonesia success in making a unique operation from first time was Unisys in Indigo Indonesia Gateway. From in 1 megabyte memory specification and this with the stability to 20 megabytes. In addition to computer system in this area, computer network also began to development search of data transfers, email, porting UUC X25, LAN, Ethernet, and network printer servers. In addition, UI students this year create a new computer, which is the computer with the Unit 4 XBSD operating system equipment with 2 megabytes for memory and 300 megabytes of disk. This is development again into the computer with a operating system mini Unix to Linux. The development of Indonesian computer, the 1919. The area was the country for the use of PC computer personnel, even though the number will still small in education computer with x86 microprocessor. Designed by the Intel Composition, namely the Pentium, began to become now. Pentium 2 was the most popular at that time because it was considered effective and efficient in use. The entry of Internet this year has also included the rapid development of computer in Indonesia. The development of Indonesian computer in the 2000 this year is year of Platinum 3. This computer equipped with a CPU that is RAM memory with specific of 64 megabyte to 256 megabyte with speed between 8,000 megahertz to 1,300 megahertz. The operating system was Windows, where Windows 90X was the most viral at the time. Even though this computer is priced at 8 to 10 millions, it still sells within the market considering that people need of computer had increased. The Platinum 3 was severely referenced by the performance of the Platinum 4, where the speed is 5 megahertz to 4 megahertz with use of the socket 4078 gigahertz. This type of computer is in great demand because it's very suitable for playing gamers because it is supported by a sophisticated processor and high graphics design. In this development, Intel began to mature rival in the computer world, namely AMD. Some of the products operate of AMD, some from AMD Athlon and AMD Turin. Although good design are the computing the two compressor have because I want to say thank you. See you guys. Next, Irfan.
Okay, guys. On this occasion, I want to explain about bullying. Bullying is the use of tes ada kah? Guys,
Ada.
tes. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hi, hi. I hear you. Yes.
Uh, on this occasion, I want to explain about bullying. Bullying force to intimidate others. This behavior can be a habit and involve an imbalance of social and physical power. This behavior can include verbal abuse or tweets, physical violence or force, and can be directed repeatedly against a certain victim. It might be based on race, religion, gender, sexuality, or ability. It is a very serious problem and dangerous for our social environment. We have to stop every single act of that could be threatening its involved parts of society, not only for the bullied children, but also the children who bully, children who witness bullying, even for the school with the issue of bullying. Bullying can bring bad influence on children, physical and mental health. In if case, bullying can be the trigger of a fatal act as suicide. There are several problems that might be suffered by children as the victim of bullying. First is a variety of mental problem like depression, anxiety, and sleeping trouble. This problem may be carried away until the victim grows to be an adult. The act of bullying will be so difficult to forget by the victim. Second, there won't be physical health complaints as headaches, abdominal pain, and muscle strain. Third, there is insecurity like in the school environment. Fourth, there is the decline in the spirit of learning and academic achievement. Five, in the which rare case, the victim of bullying will probably show the nature of violence. Not not only to the victim, all the impacts of bullying also affect the doer of bullying. According to a research, when they are growing into an adult, the children who do the acts of bullying have have big tendencies to behave wrongly, though criminality, be engaged in vandalism, con- consume drugs and alcohol, and be engaged in free intercourse. In addition, 60% of boys who bully his friend in the primary school or junior high school have conflicted at least once over a crime in the age of 24 years. Uh, by watching the acts of bullying, children can also get the impacts They may have a big tendency to feel insecure when they are at school. They might have uh, mental they have mental problems such as depression, anxiety, and traumatic feeling. Moreover, they misuse alcohol and drugs due to the stress. The school where the acts of bullying happen else get the impacts. It makes insecurity feeling in the school and environment. Besides, the learning may be not effective. Furthermore, in morality education at the school can be the it is obvious that bullying is very horrible and we have to stop it due to hazardous impact such as physical and mental health problem. The quality decline in achievement or work, having bad image, possibility or tendency to be engaged in crime, misusing of alcohol and drugs, until suicide. Thus, impact are not only for the victim, but also for the witness of these acts, and the place where bullying happened. Okay, guys, maybe that's all I can say about bullying. Can we close this meeting, please?
Yes. Bye.